In today's video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 mistakes I see people making when they create wills online using LegalZoom or those other websites. Hi, it's estate planning attorney Pam Maass from lawmother.com. All right, so the first mistake I see is that these forms are created for a specific state, and that is not a state you live in. For example, a lot of times these online forms are created for California, and I am in Colorado, and our estate planning laws are very, very different. So those documents will not work when your family needs them the most. The second mistake I see is inaccurate or incomplete information leads to disaster. And what I mean is these questionnaires ask you specific questions, and people will either fill them out incorrectly or incompletely, and then the documents will not do what they want them to do. They won't protect their family. The third mistake I see is assets are left out of the estate. So people will create a living trust online and they don't transfer the assets to the trust completely. And as a result, that living trust is actually worthless because unless the assets are transferred correctly, it is no good. The fourth mistake I see is people don't execute the documents correctly. And this is very state specific. So some states require notaries, some require witnesses, some require both. And people get confused, they don't know how to do this correctly, and then their document is not valid. And the fifth is FOMO. When I work with clients one-on-one, I help them protect their assets, I help them minimize taxes, all of those advanced strategies you can't get from one of these online sites. So there are advantages and disadvantages to these sites. The advantages are it's quick and it's cheap. The disadvantages are that those come at a cost. A lot of times it's going to cost your family a lot more in the long run. I recommend you take a look at these websites, then you go to a lawyer and ask the questions, and you can make this choice from a place of empowerment and knowledge.